Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from sunny Margate, Florida. And today, what would he have? Well, before I get into that, that is our telephone number. If you have good questions, we have good answers. That being said, come on, John. By the way, John, our general manager, is behind the camera. So if you call the store, you probably luck out and get a hold of him. So what do we have here? Well, we got a Ford F-150, and we put on here a low-profile Tuxedo Sentry CT. Now, the CT is basically, they put a piece of canvas on top of the vinyl, which gives it a really upgrade premium look here. It is a sharp look. Again, it's a low profile, it sits in the bed. Now this is I don't know if you hear that, it's a hardcover. That's right, there's aluminum underneath this. So you got the aluminum, you got the vinyl, and then you got your canvas on top. So it's got a 3-layer setup here. Let's go here and show you how it works. By the way, it does have a, I believe it's 5-year manufacturer warranty. No, it's 3 years on this one, right? 3-year manufacturer warranty, but this one did qualify for the double the warranty, if I recall. So you should get 6 on this one here. Now, if you look underneath here, let's take a look here. So you got a little release mechanism. Now, if you look, there's a driver's side and there's a passenger side. Why is that good? Well, I know a lot of companies are just doing the driver's side. Now, if you pull up to the side of the road and let's say there's a lot of traffic going this way, you might want to swing over to the other side so you won't get hit by a car. So that's why the benefit of having both of those. Plus, wherever you're standing, you can do it. Now, when you release these, only pull one at a time. I know a lot of times a husband and wife, the wife might want to grab the other side, but they are designed for one person to pull it at a time. Now, as you can see, it is a low profile here. Now, here is your metal here. This here, if you notice, this is a little rubber here. Why is that rubber? That's for your hands. So when you grab it, it doesn't get hot. So again, it rolls all the way up here. You got your little straps here. This does swing around here, and there's a little loop right here. It's gonna go right in there. Once it's in there, you just go ahead and tighten it up. This way you can drive down the road and not worry about this going anywhere. Another great benefit of this, if you notice, it's not blocking your rear mirror. So this here, you can see out while it's all the way open. Now this here, it is, when this cover, it's all the way open, all the way closed. It does not have a in between, so keep that in mind. As you can see, it is a clamp system, so you're not drilling holes or anything like that. It is clamped in onto the side of the rail here. All in all, this is a good value. It's going to run a little bit less than maybe some of the other covers out there, but Tuxedo's been around a long time. We've been selling their products for a very, very long time. And the reason I like selling their products, they make a good product. So again, I think this is a great cover here. Let's see, there we go. And again, if you like it, you can come in here. Oops, look at what I forgot to do over here. There we go. I have to put the Velcro down there. Now, we can install it for you, or you can have it shipped anywhere in the country. We'll be glad to take care of it. And if you have questions on the installation, we can help you. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review of the Tuxedo Sentry CT on a Ford F-150. Before I forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.